Hello, my name's James from Miniature Railway Workshop. We'd like to show you just how quick and easy it is to create your own miniature railway using our Jubilee portable track system. Jubilee track is available in a range of gauges, including 5-inch as seen here. The track has been specifically designed so that it can be transported in the back of most estate cars and small vans. 2 track panels can easily be carried by one person, allowing you to create your own miniature railway with ease, all by yourself. A long section of Jubilee track can be laid in minutes. This makes it ideal for a day of fun with miniature trains, whether it be hauling passengers at events or in the comfort of your own garden. We also offer portable miniature railway packages, including track, locomotives and coaches, available to your specific requirements and tastes. The track is held together by track panel tie bars. This prevents the track panels from sliding apart, ensuring that the portable railway is safe. Take this Neptune 3 locomotive for example, which is the perfect size for a portable railway. At Miniature Railway Workshop, we pride ourselves in designing and producing quality products from our workshop in Nottinghamshire. For more information about track, locomotives and our expanding range of miniature railway products, head over to our website at www.miniaturerailwayworkshop.com.